Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make spicy ranch dressing. Get ready to transform your meals with a simple, yet incredibly flavorful, homemade dressing. We'll cover everything from the basic ingredients to customizing the heat level, ensuring you create a perfect batch every time. This guide will help you master a delicious condiment that's far better than store-bought options. To start, you'll need a good base. Grab about 1 cup of your preferred ranch dressing, whether it's store-bought or homemade. For that essential kick, have 1 to 2 tablespoons of your favorite hot sauce ready. Don't forget fresh herbs like dill, chives, and parsley. About 1/4 cup total will brighten the flavors significantly. A pinch of garlic powder and onion powder also helps. Now for the fun part, mixing. In a medium-sized bowl, combine your ranch dressing, hot sauce, and all the fresh herbs. Whisk everything together until it's smooth and well combined. This is your chance to taste and adjust. If you prefer more heat, add a bit more hot sauce. For a milder flavor, a touch more ranch can balance it out. Chill for at least 30 minutes. Your delicious spicy ranch is now ready to enjoy. It's fantastic with crispy chicken wings, as a dip for fresh vegetables, or drizzled over pizza. For best flavor, let it chill in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes before serving. Store any leftovers in an airtight container in the fridge for up to 1 week. And hey, while you're making great choices, check the description for a link to some amazing darn tough socks and other fantastic deals. You deserve comfort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.